Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can actually turn on Find My iPhone into your iPhone. So it is very easy. What you need to do is just go to the settings here. After going to the settings, as you see that there is an Apple ID logged in into your top above corner, just tap on it and you will see that options will this like come up, and here the green option Find My is the option which you need to go in. Just tap on it. After going to the option, you need to turn on the Find My iPhone option. As you can see from here, you need to turn it on, and if it is off in your phone, you just need to tap on it and make sure you have turned on all three of these, as it will locate your phone, lock your phone, or erase this device or supported things which are attached to your phone through your iCloud. So make sure you have enabled this, and make sure you have enabled the share my location as well. Another thing you need to take care of, just go back and in your settings you need to go to the privacy and security option here. Tap on it, and you can see that there's location services. Tap on it, make sure you have enabled this location services into your iPhone, so it will share every data with your iCloud, and once if it got lost or anything, you will be easily able to recover it. I hope this video helped you out in figuring the problem which you are looking for, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.